Today I'll show how to disassemble, remove hard drive, RAM, HP Pavilion dv5. HP Pavilion dv5. This is the HP Pavilion dv5. We will take it out: keyboard, hard drive, RAM, everything. Let's go. This is the battery. Battery should be there. Lock it. This is the battery first. This is the back side. They have the hard drive here. Over here RAM, and this is the battery. Battery should be out. Let me set. This is the battery out first. Then we do over here. Let me see. This is on screw. This one on screw out. This one screw out. And this one screw out. I do first this one, that one screw out, and these two screw out. Let me see. This one screw out, that one screw out, this is screw out, this is the screw out, and this one have inside two screw. These two screw out. This is screw out. This one screw out. Then we have to take it out. This one. This is automatic. This is the hard drive, and over here take it out. Take it out. That one. This is the hard drive. You can change it. You can check it. You can change anything. This is the hard drive. Now we have over here screw. This one already open. We can open. We have another screw here. Let me over there. This is the hard drive. Let me check. Let me see over here. One screw. This is one screw, and that's it. And now, and these two screw out. Okay. Okay, this one out. This is the RAM out. RAM out. Now all set, done over here. Now we can open the keyboard this way. Let me see over here, little bit gap over here. You see over here gap. Push little bit. Over here little bit gap. You can pull there. Over there, little bit spray. Now this is open. You can take that one here. You see, take it out. Over there, this one keyboard out. Now this is the mouse. This is the power. Take it out. Then take it out. dirty. Let me see anything place ever. Now good. Okay. Now all done. This is the process. You can sense this one from here. First, you set up this one. Okay, let me see. Okay, set this, and now over here this is the point. Let me see. The point is going there. Let me when it is gone, then press down. Now let me see over here. Over here, when it is going down, press. This is the power on. Make sure power is good or not. Make sure connect the electric line. Now press like that. Look the sign. Hey, you see, light is coming. That means power is good. Keep it. Now this is the keyboard. Keyboard now this way going. Keyboard, I have to look like this. This one, make it this way. This is keyboard. Now this one going down. I press this way. When this way come, just little bit press down. Over here, first we set up the hard drive. That one. And now hard drive over there, and then you set up this one. Let me check this side going down. Now this one down. We put the screw on. Hard drive cover, okay. Then this one. Now screw over here. Now window is starting down. Thank you for watching this video. How to disassemble, how to replace a hard drive, RAM, keyboard, everything. Thank you for watching this video.